Universal clamp kit for the Sena 20S Bluetooth motorcycle communication system. Includes fasteners, speaker pads, microphone sponges, speakers and microphones, and more. Also compatible with Sena 20S EVO and 30K models. Top reviews from the United States. Great sounding setup for a second helmet. Have been trying to find a second setup for my Sena 50s for a second helmet. Had looked online at Sena, Cycle 1 Revzilla, but unavailable. Tried Amazon, was thrilled to find this. Now I can alternate between half helmet full face helmet with my Sena 50s.